Hello everyone, I am Likita. Now I am going to explain two-dimensional array. Introduction to two-dimensional array. Definition. It is one type of array and it is a collection of a fixed number of components arranged in two dimensions, i.e. rows and columns. Elements. Here all components are of the same data type. Access. In this, each element is identified by its row and column position using two indices. Declaring 2D array. To declare 2D array, the syntax will be data type, space, array name, of row size, of column size. Data type indicates type of elements like int, float, char, etc. Array name indicates name of the array. Row size, it indicates number of rows. Column size, it indicates number of columns. Example, int matrix of 3 of 4, where int indicates data type, matrix indicates array name, 3 indicates row size, 4 indicates column size. Initializing 2D array. A declaration for initializing 2D array, it will be int matrix of 3 of 2. To represent 2D array, we should enter the elements in curly brackets like curly brackets 1 comma 4. Here 1 comma 4 indicates first row, 3 comma 9 indicates second row, 4 comma minus 5 indicates third row, and 1, 3, 4 indicates first column, 4, 9, minus 5 indicates second column. What is partial initialization? If we give input for any value in the 2D array, if it does not give any input to the element in 2D array, it will automatically set as 0. Example, int matrix of 2 is equals to 3 comma 1 comma 6, where second row, second column element will be set as 0. Operations on 2D array. 2D array is used to perform transpose, addition, subtraction, and also multiplication for matrix, where matrix transpose is called where we can replace rows and columns using 2D array. Matrix addition subtraction indicates performing element-wise operations on two matrices. Matrix multiplication. We can multiply two or more matrices using 2D array. Example for the 2D array is, this is the documentation section, this is the preprocessor, and the main section starts here. First we should initialize rows, columns, I and j. And the next statement will be printf, enter the number of rows and columns. In scanf, it will read the value for rows and columns. Next we should initialize int, array of rows of columns. Here it is known as declaring 2D array. Next statement will be printf, enter the elements of the array. Here for loop starts for the rows and columns. In the for loop, the statements will be printf, enter the elements at our array of %d of %d. In this scanf, it will read the values of array of I of j, and the for loop closes here. The next statement will be printf. The elements of the 2D array are, and the for loop again starts here for the rows and columns. In the for loop, the statement will be printf, array of %d of %d is equals to %d. And the row for loop will be closes, column for loop will closes here, and the next statement will be print. And the row for loop will be closes here, and the main section closes here. Thank you everyone.